Man, I knew I should have brought somebody with me today. Okay, look at this paint job. I mean, this is the base coat. Here the clear coat is flaking off. See that? Look, look. It just flakes right off. See? So this is what I would call a destroyed paint job. Okay? Could you bring it out? With my skills and what I know, I could beautify this hood, this paint job on this old Jeep. I could. Okay, it wouldn't look perfect, but it would look a hell of a lot better. But the reason I'm doing this video is to show you guys something that's incredible. This clear coat is shot. I mean, it's shot. Look at if I go like this, look at what happens. Okay? Look at it. I mean, this thing is shot. But what if there's a product that even brought this stuff back? You're looking at it. This is Lukat It. It's a paint cleaner. It's our number right there. Look at 505-304-8652. Watch what I'm going to do. It's crazy. So this clear coat is shot. And I'm doing this by myself. Ew, man. You literally can do this with one arm. Or one hand. Whatever. When you put this on, you're not waxing. Forget waxing. Okay? Clean. So all I'm going to do is rub back and forth just like this. That's all you got to do. You don't even have to rub hard. It's easy to do. This is an ionizer. You put this on not to make the paint job shiny. You put it on to clean the paint. What we advocate is before you wax your car, we're not cleaning it. Look how beautiful this sucker's coming out. As bad as the state of this clear coat is, okay? Look how beautiful that came out. Didn't take a lot of effort. A few minutes. Look at that. That is awesome. Look at that. Holy smokes. Wow. So if you're looking for something to clean your clear coat, now if it's hazed up like this, you can call me. I can coach you on how to do it. Not everyone's going to be able to do it, but some of you can if you know how to do wet sanding and feather touches and stuff like that. So it's actually an easy fix. So this is a clear coat. I just wanted to demonstrate the power of this product. It's amazing that you can take something this bad and bring it back to that point. Look at that. That's just crazy awesome. Oh, and there's no wax in this product. Look at, no wax. Imagine if you wax it now. Huh? Just imagine if you wax it now. What it's going to look like. Wow. Anyways, just wanted to show you a product that's pretty badass. I'm sorry. That's pretty awesome. Lukat It, not a wax. That's our number, 304-8652. I mean, look at that. Wow. Okay? If the hood, roof, and trunk of your car is hazing up like this, looks good when it's wet, okay, and if it's not peeling, look what you can do. That's actually going to stay like that for years, because instead of masking it, we cleaned it, then you can wax it afterwards. I'm Rob the Wax Man. Call me, ask me questions, and let's see if we can, save your paint job. Later.